Here I'm going to get back to where I left off in the last video, finishing that upper cove on that detailing. And then it's going to be time to start cleaning up some of these surfaces that I've just created. Quick mark to mark the bottom of that. Skew is a wonderful tool for this kind of work. It saves you a lot of time, gives you a great surface quality, but I'm not going to lie to you, it takes some practice. Now that I've got all those details surfaced, I got to come back in and remove some more material for this upper part of the vase. I'll take it right down so it flows right into that detail at the top, and then cut just beneath it using the skew. That little mark I made earlier at the bottom of that cove detail is going to act as a nice stop for me here and give me a real clean transition. There it is. Once I've got that established, I generally like to go back in and reform these coves just a little bit to make sure they flow very nicely with the rest of the details. Very important to take light cuts here because too much pressure can deflect this whole leg and start to introduce some of that nasty vibration. And now all that's left is to remove that material from the bottom of the leg. I like to leave the bottom of the leg nice and fat because that's where the drive center is and the torque is being transmitted through it. If I thin that out too early, in the process it can make it difficult to keep the vibration out. This is the best time to do it. I'm going to go for a nice even taper here, and you can see that I'm breaking the rules. You should generally try and cut from the largest diameter down to the smallest, but once you get used to cutting, you can bend those rules. This is a great example of how I use my entire body when I'm cutting. You can see that as I go up and down this taper here, the tool is very much locked into my body, and my whole upper body is moving along with it. Really helps to create more even flowing shapes and have a lot more cutting control. The lathe really is a dance.